Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning Surah Sajda. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف لام ميم. When we say this huruf muqatta'at, we say the names of the letters. So first letter is alif. So we will say this alif. There is kasra on lam, so don't ignore this kasra. A alif, and there will be rakha on fa. Yes. A for fatha. Open your jaws. A alif. A and li for kasra e sound and fa rakhawa. Alif. Lam. Lam will be 6 counts long. And when we will stop the lam, when we are going towards meme, we are making it gone. Why? Because lam, when we are saying lam, it is like this lam, and then plus meme. Meme. This is what we are saying. Okay. So this is 6 counts long, and this is 6 counts long. Meme. And look, there is meme sakina and there is meme mutaharika. When they come together, it gets merged in. So we will give idgham shafawi here. And idgham shafawi takes a longer time because this is idgham. Idgham has gunna kamila. Yes, it has gunna kamila. Alif lam mim. At the end, there is tawassut on meme. Look here, tawassut on meme. Da, da. For fatha, open your jaws. And ikhfa, this ikhfa is light because za is among light letter. So we'll keep our tongue straight. Da, da, z, z, 2 counts long. And za has a safir. For kasra, give e sound. Z, lul. For dhamma, circle your lips. As you will touch second lam, your lips should be in a straight position, but you are not stretching them behind, but just give them a normal position. Lul, give tawassut on lam. Lul, ki, for kasra, give e sound. Ta, 2 counts long. B, for kasra, give e sound. La, 2 counts long. Roi, this is lean, ya lean, so make it soft. And for fatha, open your jaws and then attach with ya. When you are attaching fatha with ya, here you are making soft sound. Roi, ba, for fatha open jaws. Fi, 2 counts long. He, for kasra give e sound. Mir, for kasra give e sound. And then ra will be heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha, it is heavy. So we are making it heavy. Mir, rab, rab, shidda. There is no flow of sound on ba. Bil. Then for kasra give e sound attached with lam. Lam will get spoke tawassut. Bil. Ain from your throat. Make it 2 counts long. La. For top on your jaws. Meen. Give tawassut. When you are making this, yes, okay, why we are making it long? Because of the waqf, we are giving temporary sukoon on noon. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel. This was 2 counts long, right? Now we are cancelling it and making it 4 counts long because temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. So now it is 4 counts long. Alameen. When you are making this long sound, it should not go into your nose. Long, the madud, the long vowels are not going into your nose at all. And the other thing is you are keeping your tongue away from your palate when you're saying a long vowel because this is ya. And makhraj of ya is away from your palate, the talu. Okay. Alameen. Alif la mim. تنزيل الكتاب لا ريب فيه من رب العالمين. Hamza is sharp of a top on jaws attached mim, you will get of tawassut. Yeah. The makhraj of ya is when you are lifting your tongue up towards your palate, but you are not touching it. So this is ya. Ya. Qu. Qaf is heavy. For dhamma, circle your left and make it 2 counts long. Qu. Lu. Both long vowels are not in your nose. Qulu. Naf. For fatha open jaws attached fa. Fa will get sifa for khawa and hams. Nafta. Ta is very sharp. Sharp means there is no flow of sound. Ta, the sound cuts off the makhraj. Ta, very sharp sound. Ta, ra. Because of this waqf, we are giving temporary sukoon on ha. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. أم يقولون افتراه بل for fatha on jaws attached lam will get sifa of tawassut. Who for the circle lips. Well for wow circle lips. Fatha on jaws attached lam will get sifa of tawassut. Well haq. Ha from your throat for fatha on jaws attached qaf. Qaf is heavy and there is a sifa of shidda here. No flow of sound. The makhraj is cutting off the sound, so there is no flow. The sound is cut off. Haqqu, haqqu, and make qaf heavy when it is attached. Ha, make qaf heavy when it has dhamma. Yeah, like both ways, it should be heavy. You don't make qaf light at any point. Haqqu, qu, mir. For kasra, give e sound attached. Ra will be heavy. Mir. Give e sound here, give heavy sound here. It's beauty of Quran, subhanallah. Mir, rab, ra, rabbi. There's shidda on ba. There is no flow of sound. Rab, the sound is cutting off. There is no flow. Rabbi, bi. For kasra give e sound. Ka, for fatha open jaws. Li, for kasra give e sound. Tu, sorry. This is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. So to make any ikhfa light, you are keeping your tongue straight. Li the dal. How you say dal? There should be a zabdaba in dal. When you're keeping your tongue under the edge of the frontal two teeth, this makes zabdaba in dal. The ra. Ra is heavy. When to make any letter heavy, you are lifting your tongue up, but you are not circling your lips. Don't ever circle your lips to make any letter heavy. Ra, qaf is heavy, and this is wow lean. So lean means to make anything soft. This is soft. When you are attaching this fatha with wow, this is the mechanism where you are bringing in the softness. قو مم إدغام الشفوي for fatha open jaws and then attach it meme mem and of course there is gunna and with this gunna is akmal. Akmal means the longest, so keep it very nice. Give it a nice gunna. Ma 4 counts long. Hamza is sharp. Ta 2 counts long. Hum for the circular lips and give idgham shafawi. Sakin meme is merging into a mutaharrik meme. Hum min focus give e sound and then attach it noon. Min after gunna, the fatha is very short. Na, the gives up the bind. Dal, when you are keeping the tip of your tongue under the frontal to teeth, and the edge of frontal to teeth, this is give the ba in dal. The reem for kasta give e sound, then attach it meme, you will get. This is idgham and this idgham is with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Rim, meow. This is ikhfa, but this ikhfa is heavy because qaf is among heavy letters. And to make any ikhfa heavy, you are lifting your tongue up nicely. Meow, qab, qab. Qaf is heavy, but keep ba light. Qab, but give a very nice qalqala on ba. It's not only the touching, but it is the very nice mechanism of qalqala which is working on ba. Qab, li, focus give e sound. Ka, for fatha open jaws. La, for fatha open jaws. Al, ain from your throat, for fatha open jaws, attach it lam. Al, for fatha open jaws, and the sound is short. Hum, for the circular lips, attach it meme, you will get sip of the wasut. And حكمه إظهار. Yeah, yeah, keep ya light for fatha open jaws, attach it ha is light too. Yeah, ta very sharp sound, no flow of sound. When I say sharp sound, it means it has no rakhawa, it has no tawassut, it has no flow of sound. Ta doon. Because of the swaq, we are giving temporary sukoon on noon. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat sukoon. أم يقولون افتراه بل هو الحق من ربك لتنذر قوما ما أتاهم ما أتاهم من نذير من قبلك لعلهم يهتدون. I'm saying it very slowly so you can get it, otherwise you can go on your normal speed. But it should be, the mechanism should be like this. But the speed you can increase the speed of your recitation. Allahu. Hamza is very sharp for fatha upon jaws. Hamza will be light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Allah, Allah. It is 2 counts long. Who? Sorry. Ha is attached with lam. Hul. Give the wasut on lam. Hulla. For fatha upon jaws. The 2 counts long. Kha. Kha is heavy for fatha upon jaws. La. Keep lam light. Kha. La. Qas. Make sure that you keep lam light because it is among 2 heavy letters. So, خلقس give رخاوة on seen, give safir on seen. Ma 2 counts long. Wa 2 counts long. For vowels, to pronounce wow, you have to circle your lips. T, focus give E sound. Well, makhraj of wow, circling your lips. Fatha open jaws attached. Lam, lam will get off the wasut. Well, hamza is very sharp. Fatha open jaws attached. Ra will get sifa off the wasut. And ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. أو for fatha open jaws. مخرج of wow is circling your lips. Fatha open jaws. Ma 2 counts long. Bay, this is Yailin, so you're making it soft. Bayna for fatha open jaws. Who for the ma circle your lips. Ma 2 counts long. Fi 2 counts long. Sit for kasra give e sound attached. Ta has no flow of sound. It has shidda. It has no rakhawa, no tawassut. There is no flow of sound here. Sit, does the makhraj is cutting off the sound. Sit, ta for fatha upon jaws. The sound is short with fatha too. T for kasra give e sound. Ay. This is nabar and uh, ay. Ya, 2 counts long. Meow. This is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. So you're keeping your tongue straight and you're going towards the makhraj of tha. And you're hiding the sound of noon. It was actually min thumma stawa. But you are hiding this sound of noon. Min after min. Look, if I write, this was like this. Min. But it's not. So we are hiding the sound of noon. We are going towards the makhraj of sa, and we are keeping the sound in our nose. This is ikhfa. Mia tum mas أيام ثم for the circle ellipse attached meme gets a kunna. This kunna is akma, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mas for fatha open jaws attached sin gets a rakhawa and it has safir. Mas, but you're giving safir, you're giving rakhawa, but you're not pressing hard on sin. Otherwise the other sifat like Rakhawa and Safir will be affected and they will be not on its place. So be careful, don't pressurize saying this scene. Mas ta papa top and jaws, no flow of sound. Wa 2 counts long. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Lal for fatha open jaws attached. Lam only gets about the wasut. Arush. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws attached. Ra will get sipa of the wasut. And ra is heavy because there is fatha before it. Aru. Shh. Giving sukoon because of the waqf. So it will bring in what? Rakhawa. Aru. Shh. Ma 2 counts long. La for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Kum idgham is short for me. It will get gunna and this gunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Kum mia. This is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. You're hiding the sound of noon. You're going towards the makhraj of dal. And you're keeping the sound in your nose. This is all about ikhfa. Nya do for the circle lips. Make it 2 counts long. Ni for kasra give e sound. He 2 counts long. Mew idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mew wa for fatha open jaws. Li. This is nabar and it has rakhawa too because you are attaching with ya and ya has always rakhawa. Li idgham with gunna. for fatha, for makhraj of fatha. Circle your lips, fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. La, 2 counts long. Sh, for fatha upon jaws. Fi. Because of this vak, we are giving temporary sukun. This temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. Now this is 4 counts long. And Ain will get sipa of the wasut because it is with sukun now. Shafi. And this long vowel should not go into your nose at all. It's not shafi. No. It's shafi. Shafi. It is in your mouth when you're saying the long vowel. Hamza is sharp, papa top on jaws. Fa, papa top on jaws. The sound is short. La, 2 counts long. Ta, very sharp sound, no flow of sound. Ta, ta, the, ka. This has zabdaba, and this is attached with kaf. There is no hums here. The, ka, the, ka. There is shita on kaf here. The, ka, urun. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukun, and this temporary sukun has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4 now. This is madarat sakun. And this long vowel, when you are saying, it should not go into your nose. And on noon, you are giving tawassut. الله الذي خلق السماوات والأرض وما بينهما في 6 أيام ثم استوى على العرش ما لكم من دونه من ولي ولا شفيع أفلا تتذكرون سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته